Who I am? I am Abdul Fattah Amirol. I am a student who carries both dreams and responsibilities on my shoulder. I was born and raised in Macabo, Ganasi, Lanao del Sur, and ever since I was young, I've known that life would require strength, sacrifice, and purpose. I am not perfect, but I am growing. I strive to become someone better each day, not just for myself, but for those who believe in me. I am proud of the progress I've made and the value I stand for. Respect, honesty, and perseverance. I may still be finding myself, but I know I'm on the right path. And what is the purpose of human existence? I believe the purpose of life is not just to exist, but to live meaningfully. We are here to live deeply, to learn from our experience, to help others, and to grow into the best version of ourselves. Life is full of pain and joy, failure and success, but each moment shapes us. Our existence becomes meaningful when we use our time, talent, and voices to create positive change around us. We don't need to be famous or rich to live with purpose. Sometimes being kind and true is already enough to leave a mark. What is my philosophy in life? My philosophy in life is simple. Do your best, stay humble, and keep moving forward. I believe that every hardship we face is part of a bigger plan that strengthens us. Big. Education for me is not just a requirement, it's a tool for freedom and way to change life. I want to success not just for myself, but so I can lift others too, especially my family. No matter how long the journey, I will keep going because I know my goals are worth every struggle. Even small steps matter. As long as you keep walking, you'll reach your destination. Thank you.